to me, I be work, 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 work.
Alright guys, so I've already primed my eyes using my concealer. What I'm going to be doing is taking a fluffy brush and using a MAC blush in the color Raisin. I'm going to be putting that in my crease, just sweeping it back and forth. Blend for your life, girl. Blend. Taking that same color Raisin, I'm gonna be taking that fluffy brush and sweeping it under my eyes. Next, taking this palette from Tarte called Sex Kitten, I'm gonna be taking the color Wildcat. And with a MAC 217 brush, I'm going to be sweeping that in my crease as well, right beneath that Raisin that we just put in there. Once again, taking that same brush, the 217, I'm going to be sweeping Wildcat underneath my eye area. Now using that same palette, I'm going to be taking the color Feline and sweeping that across my lid using that MAC 217 brush. Also guys, if you're wondering why the lighting in this video got so dark, I am literally using natural light to record this video, and I'm frustrated because literally within minutes we just got like a major overcast. The struggle, I must tell you, is real not having a ring light, but that'll be coming soon, so bear with me guys. Alright, taking a black eyeliner, I am just throwing that right on my waterline. Okay, so I threw on some lashes off camera, and girls, do y'all see that lash already lifting? So I didn't put enough glue on that lash, and she is coming for me, but that's okay. I'm gonna go reapply her after this video because she is obviously out of order and I need her to get in formation, okay? Alrighty muffins, so we're gonna go ahead and do a nude lip for this tutorial. Using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color London, I'm gonna be applying that to the lips. Taking this lip liner by NYX in the color Downtown Beauty, I am gonna go ahead and line my lips, and this color is about the same color as my skin tone. Alrighty dolls, to finish off this look, we're gonna go ahead and add a gloss. I'm taking Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap and Glory. This lip definitely brings all the boys to the yard, and they fathers, they brothers, and cousins too. We coming for all of them, all 2018. Alrighty dolls, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications for new videos. Bye! Mwah.